you'll get to see this kind of view when you'll be staying in this jungle homestay. The local chicken. Oh, this place is so peaceful. See, that's the pathway. You have to be very, very careful walking towards the pathway, especially if you are not from mountain region. I am in the village. Namaste. Namaste. Say hi. Oh. This is right. This is oh, it's in the model. People are very friendly over here. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Hi. See, because of you, I'm able to see such a beautiful place today. Thank you so much in advance.
अभी लेके जाएंगे आपको वहीं से बैम्बो हाउस जाएंगे हम लास्ट पॉइंट है वो हमारा हमारा बैम्बो हाउस का सबसे बढ़िया प्लेस हम मॉर्निंग वॉक में भी वहीं पे लेके जाते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपका जीरो पॉल्यूशन ही नहीं है एकदम पॉल्यूशन फ्री है
फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल द पॉल्यूशन नाइस
क्योंकि वहाँ पे गाड़ी वगैरह उतना चलता नहीं है ना तो चारों ग्रीनरी है इधर से चलते हैं
These tiny roots are so cute. I just love it. So beautiful.
त्यो त सधैँ हो नि हाम्रो
There's Nepali and I cannot understand Nepali. So cute. Look at this cute duck. So cute. The duck was so cute. The down part is Fusering. See, the view is so beautiful. And I'm walking through this narrow pathway. This is the pathway I'm walking through. Wow, what a view! See, that's Sikkim. You can see this whole thing is Sikkim. That houses also
Jortang, South Sikkim.
Sikkim. You can see that small houses.
And West Sikkim.
Yeah, that is Jorthang, and that is West Sikkim. If you can see that, and down is Fusering Tea Garden, Darjeeling. See how beautiful it is. Paradise, huh? I'm so happy to be here. Very less people know about this place. It's a totally an off-beat destination. Whenever you are in Darjeeling, you should definitely come here. I know coming here won't be easy because you have to climb so much, but it's gonna be so much fun and adventure. If you really want to be with nature and enjoy the surroundings, you want to breathe fresh air, then this is the place. You should definitely come here. Namaste. I have to walk through this. See, this is so steep. So whenever you be careful. And whenever you are in Darjeeling, if you want to have this kind of experience, I'll put the contact details of SAAJAN. He will guide you through all these places. So you can contact SAAJAN and then you can see this off-beat place. And also you can stay in his bamboo house. Yes. That behind you can see. That you can see the small buildings. That side, yeah. That is Kalimpong. I'll be going there after Darjeeling. This is so beautiful. I can live my entire life over here. This place is so surreal, full of nature. And you will have peace of mind when you are in Darjeeling and when you are in this kind of place. I highly recommend you to come to this place whenever you plan your trip to Darjeeling. Forget about all the famous places, Tiger Hill and all this. Just contact SAAJAN and visit these awesome places. He will show you so many awesome places. Okay. He's very shy to say anything. Look at the view behind me. So beautiful. This is Darjeeling off-beat. Tea leaves. Tea garden. Oh, I'm so tired now. See, there's a narrow pathway and we have to walk on this. but the views are amazing. Trust me, guys. Just see how beautiful it looks. This is so beautiful. I need to sit somewhere for 5 minutes. I'm so tired. I need some energy.
पूरा माउंटेन क्लाउड ने ढक दिया.
Finally. Now 5 minute rest and then we'll walk. Finally, I have reached bamboo homestay, that is Rajpankchi Jungle Stay. I'll put all the details in the video description. I'll show you how it looks. See. You have to climb on top. It's the steep pathway. I have to climb through this.
Hello, Manju. What are you doing, Manju? Evening walk, Manju. Keep up, Manju.
There's a homestay on top. So difficult. So, homestay. There's the homestay on top. So tired, I need to breathe. That's why I removed my mask to walk on the top and the homestay. Finally I have reached. That's the pathway. That's the name of that homestay. Rajpankchi Bamboo Homestay. Whenever you are in Darjeeling, you can come here and then you can stay in the bamboo houses and you can be with nature. I highly recommend you to stay in this homestay. It's so beautiful and amazing. See. Shh. It's barking. Shh. Shh. So okay, they have 2 rooms. One is here and the another one is here.
बाथरूम इधर है.
And here is toilet. It's very clean, so you will not face any hygiene issue.
फ्रूट्स का वो गुआवा का प्लांट है. तो गुआवा.
There are fruits too. You can use.
ये आपका हो गया पियर्स मालूम है.
Pears.
पियर्स है ये.
They have pears too. They have guavas over there.
यहाँ पे भी है.
Right now you cannot see that. Yeah, I'll show you from it. See, guava trees there.
Maple.
They have maple too. See.
Rosemary.
Yes, rosemary. So you will see this. You will get to see this kind of view when you will be staying in this jungle homestay. Guys, this is how it looks from inside. It's really clean. You will not have any problem over here. You can enjoy. See, this is how it looks. It's so nice, beautiful, and you will get all the facilities over here, and you will be staying within nature. That's the best part of this jungle homestay. One more last time I'm telling you again, if you looking for something different, if you want to stay with nature, then I highly recommend you this Rajpankchi Jungle Homestay, and you can contact him. You can contact him for all the details, for rate and everything, and then he will give you all the information because he's the owner of this place. So whenever you are in Darjeeling, you should definitely contact SAAJAN if you want to stay in Jungle Homestay. And above also they have, you can do camping over there. You will not hear any noise, only you can hear the sounds of birds chirping, insects, waterfall, like everything related to nature. And this place is so peaceful, you can concentrate on your work or whatever you want to do. I highly recommend this place. Also they have music, so if you want to hear the music, that also you can come over here. That bamboo house, that one is for music. You can relax, you can have your food, you can listen music, everything you can get over here. I'll show you the music. So this is the place where they play music. This. You can have your dinner, lunch, your food over here. You can enjoy the music.